Assalamualaikum everyone, how are you all? I think everyone is well. So today in this video we'll cover functions of JavaScript. It's very interesting because we'll learn about functions and we'll make something functional, and the site will look like functional. So everything should be very amazing and wonderful because we'll learn something unique today, and we'll cover this example today. You can see here's an example. So today we'll cover this. I'm gonna say in short that what has done here, like this is a paragraph, and when we'll click a button, then the paragraph will be changed. So how to do it? Let's see in Visual Studio Code. So let's go. So for that we have to take a text like hello world index. So this is hello world, and now let's take a button. So this is a button and change text. So to make the button functional, we'll have to take an attribute, and that's all about onclick. It looks unique to you all because I think you haven't tried it yet. So for that, it's an unique attribute for now. So to express this attribute, we'll have to take JavaScript code. We'll have to write the JavaScript code first, express the attribute. So for that, we'll work with function today. So for that, take function tag, and now name a function like my function, and this, then document dot get element by id. In the previous video, as we have learned that id, and here's bdn get element by id, which is all about bdn, and dot innerHTML. Inner HTML is equals to it has changed. So I think it should work. So let's see. Oh, sorry, I did a mistake. We have to take the id here. Id text, and this is the function we should input in this onclick attribute, because it's a function tag of JavaScript and it's the name that we have named. You can name it anything as you wish. So now let's see, it has changed. So it's working, and it's very tiny project that I've shown now, and but it's very important of JavaScript to make a site. So for that we should learn it, and you should practice it for next 6 days to get me back. So practice it